Okay, so I have this Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to see how long it takes me to solve it. I just learned how to do this yesterday, so it'll probably take me just a little bit, but let's see how long it actually takes me. Oh geez, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, we got that. I'm doing the white cross technique or whatever it's called. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure though. Okay. On to what I think is called a J-perm. I have no idea. He's a YouTuber. I just love it, that. It's so satisfying. I wish you can hear that click. It's satisfying. You might be able to. I have no idea. Just one more. Okay, now we have the whole white side done. And kind of around it. Now we are going to go on to the second layer. 1, 2, 3, and we are done there. Now we need to make the white cross and flip that. Boom. I'm trying to remember. There, okay. Now that we have that, okay, am I missing a step right now? Okay, there we go. Boom, boom. And we should be able to align all of them. There we go. Now we just gotta do the corners. Nope, nope, nope. So I can just do it from anywhere. No, no, yes, and no. Okay. Now we gotta check again. Yes. No. No. And no. So we can just easily do this one more time. I think now the corners should be all solved. Okay. I don't know, but I usually just take it to the green side. Boom. Then I think 2 more. And we are done. There we go. That is my Rubik's Cube solve. That's how I solve my Rubik's Cube. So I'm not going to teach you how, but that's me.